Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So, are you running low on fuel, for example? But Waze makes it easy to find nearby gas station quickly. In case you have been looking around, didn't find any, with just a few taps you can see all the stations near you, complete with distance, address and opening hours, and boom, here you go. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually find gas stations in Waze, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First thing first, go ahead and open your device, make sure you're fully connected to the internet, and go ahead and open your app. Okay, no thanks. We're gonna go ahead now and actually see our main menu here. So from the main map screen, we're gonna go all the way to look for gas stations on the search bar. For example, you can tap whichever gas station you want. Okay. Go ahead and select it. Then you can easily share or even view routes, look for more, whatever you want. For example, if you want to share it, tap on the share button. Now it would give you options to send the link to someone else from WhatsApp, Gmail, messages, and even other apps. And that's the video idea. Thank you all for watching this. See you all in the next video.